Alright, gonna make another quick little vid here on my sander. Like I said, I got a 1.5 horse Dayton motor, 3-step pulley. It gives me 3 speeds: high, medium, low. It's on medium right now. Power switch. Got my work table set up. I was grinding some templates out last night. I'm gonna do another 1 or 2 tonight. But there it is. Got a little door spring for the tension. Works real great. I got a nice solid 1/4 inch 4x4 square tube base. The plans call for 1/8 inch. I wanted something with a little more mass. So found that at a scrap yard. Got some pillow blocks. I think that's a 5/8 cold rolled bar. All the wheels are from Beaumont Metals. There's your idler / tracking wheel, drive wheel. Here's an 8-inch contact wheel. I think it's 70 durometer. Supposed to be the ideal density for knife making. Real nice wheels. Guy makes quality stuff. It's just kind of steep on price, in my opinion. That wheel right there, believe it or not, was $250. I mean, it was balanced perfectly, milled out real nice. I mean, super high quality, but come on, $250. I mean, that was about all I could stand. That about broke the piggy bank. Definitely the most expensive thing on this grinder, but like I said, works real well. I'm happy I got it. There's a tool rest that was in the plans. It goes back and forth, in and out, up and down. Just use some little thumb screws for adjustments. I found these knobs in my dad's garage. He wasn't using them, so I kind of stole them. Got my eye hook idler adjustment there, or tracking adjustment rather. A little bit cheaper than buying a fabricated knob. Let's go ahead and fire it up. As you can see, it's pretty quiet. Adjust the tracking here. For the most part, this thing works really well. Tracks really nice. I think I need to adjust it just a little bit. You can kind of see a little bit of wobble in the belt. I don't know if I just maybe overstretched that belt, or if the wheels are just off a little bit. Not enough to really bother me right now. There's the slack belt, flat platen attachment I already showed you. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to give you a more detailed view of this. I got it on 2 pieces of 1/2 inch plywood that I screwed together for a base. Let's see if I can find a tape measure. I'll give you some dimensions here. Overall, it really doesn't take up a whole lot of room. I could even cut this down a little bit. The base is 21 inches by like 2 feet. If I were to mount this motor maybe under the table, I mean, I could cut that whole half off, put it in line with this. A lot of guys I've seen are doing that these days. Things, I think 18 inches on the base. It's about maybe 20, 21 inches high, depending on where you got that wheel. Then the tables and wheels kind of jut out a little bit. There's my water bucket for dipping my blades or whatever I'm grinding. try to catch some of the dust there as well, but obviously it doesn't catch all of it. But I mean, overall, great tool. I'm glad I built it. I definitely recommend trying to put one together if you can. Like I said, there's definitely ways around the footprint as far as taking up your bench top. You can definitely undermount the motor. You could probably even, like in reality, you could shorten this up a little bit. Maybe make that a little bit taller, like we were talking about that one day. But really, I think it's worth it for the quality you get and the versatility for sure. You can put 2x72. I think you could put 48-inch belts on here. You can do 1-inch, 2-inch. You could do contact wheels, small wheels, slack belt. I really put this thing through its paces, just sharpening garden equipment and, you know, some practice grinds. So it's been worth its weight in steel anyway. I think I got about 500, maybe 550 wrapped up into it. And I mean, that's including the motor and the contact wheels. You could shave a few bucks off going different routes with that stuff. Steel was pretty cheap. I got most of it at a scrap yard. Some of the stuff I had lying around, so, you know, it just depends. But good investment. I think that's all the pieces I've made for it, so that's pretty much the No Weld grinder. And that's pretty much this video. See ya.